Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my name is Jeva Mevia. I'm here. I want to explain my project. The first project. The title is Subject Auxiliary Inversions. And next, this is the table of contents from this slide. Introduction, basic structure, auxiliary inversion informal writing, common mistake inversions, and last conclusion. Introduction. An English grammatical structure known as subject auxiliary inversion occurs when the subject and a finite auxiliary verb are switched, causing the auxiliary verb to come before the subject rather than after it is in normal declarative sentence. This inversion results in an auxiliary subject verb order instead of the typical subject verb and object order. And this is the sample from basic structure. In the normal word, the rules is subject, auxiliary, and last verb. In the invert word, this is auxiliary, subject, and verb. I give the example from this basic structure. If Halbert had won the martial art tournament, he would have been proud. If the switch to invert word becomes had Halbert won the martial art tournament, he would have been proud. And next, they have finished their homework. If I switch, have they finished their homework? And last, L is coming to the party. If I switch, is L coming to the party? In normal word order, the root is subject auxiliary verb. From the sentence, uh, the subject is Halbert, auxiliary is had, and the verb is won. If I switch to invert word order, the root is auxiliary, subject, and verb. The example of auxiliary is from the sentence is had. Had is auxiliary, Halbert is subject, and won is verb. And next, auxiliary inversion informal writing. There is emphasis with negative or reactive adverbials. Examples, not only does the report highlight problem, but it also suggests solutions. The second, little did they know about the consequence. And the second, conditional clause without if. The example, had we arrived earlier, we would have avoided the delay. Second, should you require assistance, please contact us. And next, adding variety and formality. The example, rarely does such an opportunity arise. And second, only after careful consideration did the committee approve the plan. And the last, forming question example. Have the results been analyzed? And can the data be verified? And next, common mistake in inversion. The mistake is the first mistake, forgetting to ask the auxiliary verb. Ignoring the auxiliary verb completely is common mistake that leads to grammatical or incomplete phrases. For example, saying going to the store instead of are you going to the store is incorrect because the auxiliary verb is missing. Next, using the wrong auxiliary verb or doubling auxiliaries. Using the wrong auxiliary verb or needlessly missing two auxiliary is another frequent error. For instance, do I can go to the store is wrong because both to and can are auxiliaries and only one should be asked for inversions. Next, incorrect inversion if we have questions. In have questions, students occasionally improperly invert the subject and the auxiliary or use inversion when it is not required, particularly when the real word is the subject. For example, what are you doing? Instead of what are you doing, or incorrectly inverting when the real word is the subject, as in the who has read the paper, correct versus has who read the paper. And last, incorrect inversion in conditional sentence. For formal conditional sentence that has inversion instead of if, the auxiliary verb need to be positioned correctly. For example, had he now is incorrect. It should be had he now. Let's get the conclusion. Subject auxiliary inversion is sentence pattern in English where the auxiliary verb is placed before the subject. This pattern is asked in the variety of situations such as making questions, giving emphasis after negative expression, and in supposition sentence without if. By understanding and using the pattern correctly, we can create more varied formal and grammatical sentences. However, it is important to be careful not to make mistakes, especially in distinguishing between question sentence and statement sentence that as inversions. Topic part 2. The topic part 2 is the title deep structure. This is the table of contents from this part. There's interactions, difference between deep and surface, transformation rules, importance in syntax, and less conclusions. The introduction. Deep structure is the deep structure of sentence that represents the basic meaning before it is changed by transformation rules. This concept was first introduced by Noam Chomsky through his transformational narrative grammar theory. In this theory, every sentence has two levels of structure, namely deep structure and surface structure. Deep structure show the grammatical and semantic relationship between words in their raw form. After that, transformation rules will transform the deep structure into surface structure, which is the form of sentence used in daily communication. In the other words, deep structure help us understand the true meaning of sentence before it is organized into its final visible form. Differ between deep and surface. Deep structure is sentence fundamental steps that demonstrations the grammatical relative and essential meaning of its subject, predicate, and object. Despite not being apparent in natural language, this structure from the basis of the statement has to be changed. And the surface structure, which is the form that we speak or write in everyday conversation, is the ultimate from the sentence that has been transformed by transformation rules. Transformation rules are rules that transform the deep structure, which contain the core meaning and the basic syntactic relationship, into the surface structure, which is the grammatically correct final form of a sentence used in speech or writing. Transformation rules. Types of transformations. There is three: movement transformation, deletion transformation, and insertion transformation. Move transformation. Move a sentence element from the original position to another position. Example: you did it what did. If I switch to surface, becomes what did you eat? And deletion transformation. Remove the understandable part from the context. Example: she can sing and he can sing too. From the if I switch to surface, she can sing and he can too. and less insertion transformations, adding an element to complete the sentence structure. Example, Albert happy. From the if I switch to surface, become Albert is happy. Important in The next is important in the syntax. Deep structure is important in syntax because represent a sentence fundamental grammatical relationship before any changes are made. And the second reveals the hidden meaning behind many sentence structure that may have diverse appearance but have the same fundamental structure. The third demonstrates how multiple deep structures can give rise to a single surface structure, which aids in the explanation of linguistic problems. Number four, support theories in language acquisitions and generative grammar by the shedding light on how people construct and comprehend sentences. The conclusion from this project, the second project. Deep structure represent the basic meaning and syntactic relationship in sentence that, through transformation tools, are transformed into the surface structure. So, an understanding of deep structure is important for explaining sentence formation process, resolving ambiguity, and supporting theory of syntax and language acquisitions. Part 3, Diagram 3. The first sentence, subjects divided into noun-phrases and the verb phrases. Noun-phrases into determiner, divided into determiner, adjective, and adjective. From this sentence, the is determiner, quick is the adjective, brown is the adjective, verb phrases into noun and the verb phrases. Fox is noun. Verb phrases divided into verb and prepositional phrases. Jumps is verb. Prepositional phrases divided into prepositions and non-phrases. Over is prepositions. Non-phrases divided into determiner, adjective, and the noun and noun. The is determiner, lazy is adjective, dog is noun. The second sentence, the girl who is wearing the red dress is dancing. Subjects divided into noun phrases and the verb phrases. Noun phrases divided into determiner, noun, and complementizer phrases. The from this sentence is determiner. Girls this from sentence is noun. The complementizer phrases there is complementizer. Who is complementizer? From complementizer phrases. Subjects divided into noun phrases and verb phrases. Is a from the sentence is noun phrases. Verb phrases divided into verb and noun phrases. Wearing from the sentence is verb. Noun phrases divided into determiner, adjective, and noun. A from the sentence is determiner. Red from the sentence the sentence is adjective. Dress from the sentence is noun. For phrases there is verb. Verb is dancing from sentence is verb. The third sentence, Stefano saw he has Gila with the telescope. Jake divided into noun phrases and verb phrases. Noun phrases, Stefano. Verb phrases divided into verb, noun phrases, and the prepositional phrases. So from this sentence is verb. Noun phrases divided into determiner and noun. The from determiner is The from the sentence is determiner. Yehezkiah from the sentence is non-prepositional phrase divided into prepositions and non-phrases. With from the sentence is prepositions, non-phrases divided into determiner and non-phrases. The from this sentence is determiner. Telescope from the sentence is noun. Number 4 is she believed that the earth is round. Subjects divided into noun phrases and verb phrases. She from the sentence is noun phrases. Verb phrases divided into verb and complementary phrases. Believe from the sentence is verb. Complementary phrases divided into complementizer and subject. That from the sentence is complementizer. Subject divided into noun phrases and verb phrases. Noun phrases divided into determiner and noun. From this sentence is determiner. Earth from this sentence is noun. Verb phrases divided into verb and adjective. Is from this sentence is verb. Round from this sentence is adjective. Number 5 is the house where I grew up has been demolished. Subject from non-phrases divided into non-phrases and verb phrases. Non-phrases divided into determiner, noun, and complementizer phrases. From determiner, the house, the house, the from the sentence is determiner, house not from the sentence is noun. Complementizer, there is complementizer, where from the sentence is complementizer. Verb phrases are divided into subject and verb phrases. Subject divided into noun phrases and verb phrases, and subject and I from the sentence is noun phrases. Grow from this sentence is verb phrases, and this is verb phrases. There is verb. Up from the sentence is verb from verb phrases. Verb phrases has been demolished from the sentence is verb phrases. And the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.